This is Sean Cole Enterprises, and I want to make a video basically telling you how do I make money using the Conversion Pros. I make money several different ways through Conversion Pros by collecting leads, affiliate marketing, and selling the Conversion Pros to online marketers. That's how I do it. And the final way, like I said, as far as the system itself, selling the system itself, I give away free leads. I give it away for free, free trials. I give away as many free trials as I possibly can. Anybody that's looking for some help, looking for a landing page builder, or autoresponder, or looking for leads, how they could learn, trying to figure out how they could generate leads for their business. I give them a free trial, free trial, free trial, free trial. I advertise, Facebook advertising, free trial, free trial, free trial. Here, take a look. Um, this here in the background. This is one of my bigger converters for an affiliate offer that I have. This is a pre-built page that they provide. This is one of the they have hundreds, but this is one of the ones that has been converting for me. Come in, basically change the message on it, and collect the leads as they come in. And I use that, like I said, for affiliate offers that I promote. But as far as making money just on the Conversion Pro system itself, I give out free trials, man. Free trials, free trials, free trials. Free trials, use it for your business. Free trial here. See how easy it is to make money off of it. That's simple on both ends. People that want to use it for the service, people that want to use it to make money. Free trials. Free trials, free trials, free trials. To receive value, you got to give value. The Conversion Pros is value because you can give away free trials, and then once they're in it, you follow up, of course, but the system pretty much sells itself. It's that easy. It's no magic, no hocus pocus, no any of that. Cut and dry, give away free trials, and follow up with your leads. That's what you need to do to be successful with the Conversion Pros, either using it in your own business or using it as a business. Again, this is Sean Cole Enterprises. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me, shoot me a text, 410-929-3390. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.